August 7th, 2013, 5 o'clock in the morning, the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport arrivals terminal is engulfed in fire. Firefighters from the Kenya Airports Authority, the military, the Nairobi County, and private security firms battled the raging fire that was fast spreading to other areas of the airport, while the police and other security agencies provided the much-needed security and clearance of the roads for easy access of extra emergency and evacuation services. And thanks to the quick response by the Kenya Airport Authority Safety and Security Units and Ground Flight Safety, no casualties were reported. All planes parked at the gates were pushed back to safe areas. 5 hours later, the fire was contained and the International Arrivals Unit had been gutted down. Passengers had to shelve their travel plans for the time being, airlines had to be diverted to other airports, and flights cancelled. But this would not be a permanent situation, since with the airport closure, one thing was evident: Kenya Airports Authority had to work round the clock to restore normalcy at the airport.
Let me say that I'm quite happy with the progress that has been made. Airport capacity is up to about 70%. Safety and security has also been significantly enhanced. And indeed, we are grateful to all passengers for their patience and understanding.
By and large, all airport business operations have resumed normal, and according to the Kenya Tourism Board, who are set to host 3 international conferences in September 2013, where both delegates and their cargo will pass through JKIA, business confidence is back.
JKIA is up and running. There's a lot of future and good hope for JKIA. We are working 24 hours to ensure that our passengers get a quality experience at JKIA, including safety, which is one of our key issues.